2003 Toyota 4Runner V8. Beautiful car. Still got all the stock catalytic converters, one there, and a third converter in the back. Then all we did on it is a muffler delete, as you guys can see right there. We left the stock resonator. She might come back and do it later on. So all we did is a muffler delete on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. See how you guys like this sound on a 4Runner. That's the massive muffler. Doesn't sound too bad. I like it. I would have took the resonator off too, but you know, to each their own. Should have wanted too loud. Got a little nice idle to it. What you guys hear on the inside?
Inside the cockpit of this 03 4Runner. Let you guys hear it. Oh yeah, got a nice garage to it.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town